Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock. Guys, let's take a look at Tesla for this week. And I get it, this has been testing everyone's patience for quite some time now. Tesla stock has been just going sideways for around 2 weeks now. Now, above this level, there's a huge move waiting to happen. That's something you saw on the thumbnail of this video. So let me get to the crux of that right away, and then we'll build from the thesis thereafter why I think the move above this level is going to come as a huge move. But before that, do we have enough confirmations from the buyers for where the price action is right now, that our buyers are still in the control, or are the sellers in control? So we'll take a look at all of that, guys, in this video. With that, please hit the like and subscribe if you find my videos valuable and helpful. And also please note, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. All right. So now, what we have been seeing on Tesla here, guys. So as for price action, where it is, we are above 20 days moving average, still holding strong above 20 days moving average, okay? We are above 175 as well, above 50 days moving average as well. But I want to take you to the 4 hours interval, because that's where this frustration is, right? Like from around 2 weeks almost, Tesla has gone just what, sideways. Buyers, this is good that Tesla is not selling off, because technically on the weekly interval it's in the downtrend. That's where this overhead channel line is as well, right? But the good thing is that Tesla has been holding above 175. Whenever it comes down there, it gets bought back up. 175 forever, right? This been half a month. Last time we were here was 14th of May, and now this is the month of June already, more than half a month. This is where 175 is where Tesla has been just going sideways. As soon as this tries to goes up in this blue box around $180, it just gets sold off. Like there's just supply zone sitting over here. You can see first supply zone, and this was also building it from the supply zone, right? And then another supply zone. Another supply zone here, right? Sellers are sitting at $180 on Tesla. And what happens when sellers are sitting at a level, and short sellers, because most of them, I mean, you can plug in my short volume data, but most of them are short sellers, because when you see consistent selling at the very same price point, it's usually the short sellers. And Tesla is very heavily shorted as well on day-to-day basis. So, but what happens? Because look, what they do is that they see the supply zones and they try to pound in here with their stop loss on the other side. Now, this is what I mean, that this massive move will happen. If we look at it, we had one of those moves here, but they still brought it back down again. We have this overhead channel resistance as well, right? Now, that move will, as soon as this starts to go up Tesla, there will be a lot of stop losses from the short seller side. That means buying position sitting over here, which is like hitting the stop loss. For short sellers, stop loss is the buying position, right? So that, I believe, will constitute the buying pressure, and the momentum will build up to the upside. And not just that, this very trend line, if we can get above 184 going into this coming week on Tesla, that also, because this channel, guys, has been a weekly downward channel. You can see every time we go up there, we sell off, right? Look at it. If I show you a little bit back over here as well, sold off, sold off, sold off, sold off, right? So, and so short sellers also uses these areas for their potential stop losses. Now, this is where I expect that they would have more of their stop losses as well. Now, or the position cover, that is the buying orders placed over here, and then momentum traders also start to come in when such type of breaks out happens, because then it becomes a momentum trade. So Tesla, definitely, if it gets above $184 area, just to start to get in this area, Tesla have a huge room for this explosive move to the upside. But as I just showed you on 4 hours interval, let's go to the hourly interval now so that I can stretch things out a little bit on the screen as well here. You can see that every time, like this $180, supply, 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 it just gets sold off, right? Always. But at the same time, there are a lot of buyers sitting. Yes, as buyers are, look, yeah, as a lot of buyers have been coming here 175, right? That means they would have their sell orders or stop losses somewhere around 171 or somewhere down there, right? Now, why I am not worried to the downside on this side? Because structure on Tesla is still a little bit more, I'm not going to say it's fully on the bullish side, but yes, bulls have more control still, 65% and more. I would say 65 to 70%, because all the wicks are getting bought back up. We have 50 days moving average below, that is a good support, and also we are closing above 20 days moving average from last 2 days. So I will be only worried on Tesla if we start to close a day again below 175, and that's when I'll start to get worried as a bull. So right now, I still, in my equation, I still can see that, in my opinion, bulls have, based off the confluence in the price action just we went over, bulls have more control still, 65% plus control, bulls have it. We need to get out and above of $180. That is very important, and then finally regaining 184 will open up the lot of doors. So that's how, the price action is looking like to me. All right. You don't have to agree with me. You can go and do whatever you want to do. I'm just sharing my opinion here. Now let's talk about the plays. What are the potential plays that may come? So if Tesla can maintain itself above 200 hours moving average, it's a long play going into this week. And then definitely level by level 180 and above, we just want to see continuation to the downside. At this point, as I said, there is nothing that I can tell you that guys, oh, it's just downtrending now, oh, it's just gonna go up now. No, it's like sitting right in the middle. It's just a level trading game. And as if we stay above 200 hours moving average, it's just a game to the upside. I would not bet Tesla to the downside for the reason I showed you. 50 days moving average is sitting down there. But yes, if we start to lose 175 fully, and then yeah, I just don't think it's worth it to short it, because there's just so much support sitting with that 50 days moving average, extra support sitting down there, right? And 20 days moving average sitting down there. Yeah, I mean, if we break, if you are, again, it's going to be a very tight short play. If you are a good trader, sure, break off, some of these levels, like even 200 hours moving average break can give you some cool off to 175, but that's just a $2 move. If you're a really good scalp trader, go ahead, short it with the break of that 200 hours moving average. But if you just want to be a little bit passive, safe investor, you can wait for a pullback at 20 days moving average, 50 days moving average I showed you, or around this zone. Or just if it stays above 200 hours moving average, it's just a long play. And also have a stop loss regardless, guys. Okay, nothing is guaranteed in stock market. If it start again, you don't just buy if it comes down at 175. All right, you gotta see the price action holding, like VIX like this, holding a support, price action confirming some patterns like double bottom. All right, you don't buy just red. You don't buy at this red candle like a falling knife. No, there is no confirmation on this red candle that things will reverse. All right, so just because it's falling and hit the level doesn't mean there's time to buy. You have to see the price action at these important levels. What are the price action doing? All right, I mean, if you have been seeing my videos, you know all of this stuff. All right, guys, well, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful and valuable, hit the like, subscribe. I'll be doing options data as well later today. So that video will be coming out as well soon. So I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. Bye.